Dinner for tonight is pan-fried grouper. So I bought this fish from Aldi the other day. It's grouper fillet. And we're going to pan-fry it for dinner. So we're ready to cook our fish. And I'm going to coat the fish with cornmeal. There. And I'm going to add some spices. Black pepper. Paprika. And garlic salt. Mix together. Now that it is well blended, let us coat our fish. So this is filleted grouper. Delicious fish. White fish. There. Put aside the other one. There's a little piece here. And now we're ready to pan fry our filleted grouper. Our pan with olive oil is heated, so let us add the fish into the pan. There. Piece in here, right there. This is medium heat, and in order to prevent splatter all over the place, I'm gonna put this cover. It has a screen to reduce the splatter around the stove, and we're going to cook it one side 5 minutes, and then 5 minutes we turn it over, another 5 minutes, and it should be ready. Let's turn it over. Very nice. Very nice. And it will be ready. While the fish is cooking, let us cook the vegetables to have with the fish. Olive oil, a little bit, medium heat. And it's ready. Let's put our zucchini. Cooking zucchini. You gotta put the top on. The fish is ready. Turn off the heat. There we go. Gonna serve it with the vegetables, and if you like rice, so we'll have it with rice. It's ready, so let's put it on a plate. This is the dressing that we're going to put. This is just soy sauce and mirin. There you go. Ready to be served with our fish. Pan-fried grouper with zucchini and red rice.